Please be ready for a dictation of Part 6 of Indian Railway Budget Speech 2016-17 delivered by Shri Suresh Prabhakar Prabhu on 25th February 2016. It is beginning from para 52 onwards. 5 seconds. Start. Indian Railways as an organization cannot progress on the path of prosperity unless that path is digitally illuminated. This year, an application of track management system was launched. With this, activities of track inspection, monitoring and maintenance have thus been switched over to an IT platform, and automatic alerts in the form of SMS and emails are being generated. Inventory management module of TMS has resulted in inventory reduction by 27,000 MT, resulting in saving of rupees 64 crore and scrap identification of 22,000 MT, equivalent to rupees 53 crore. During 2016-17, this system will be implemented on entire Indian Railways. Indian Railways has developed an application for maintaining centralized land data and records of all land holdings over Indian Railways have been digitized. As I move on to illustrate the new initiatives, let me take a step back. One of the thrust areas of last year's budget was giving passengers better services and making railway journeys enjoyable. We will continue to build on this momentum and strive hard to ensure satisfaction of each of the 7 billion passengers that ride Indian Railways network annually. Ours is a common man's government working tirelessly for the benefit of all, especially farmers, workers, women, disabled and the impoverished. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is not just a slogan. For us, it pervades all our thoughts and actions. Every customer is our brand ambassador, the very reason of our existence. Therefore, each time that he or she travels, the satisfaction quotient must go up. In pursuance of making each of our customers happy, I propose to take the following measures. This government truly believes that the fate of India would not change unless the lives of the common man or woman improve. Not only is he or she the center point of our policy making, but is ubiquitous in our public discourse and in our ideology. We propose to introduce the Antodaya Express, a long-distance, fully unreserved, superfast train service for the common man to be operated on dense routes. We will also add 2 to 4 Deen Dayalu coaches in some long-distance trains for unreserved travel to enhance our carrying capacity for the masses. These coaches will also have facility for portable drinking water and a higher number of mobile charging points. I am announcing 3 select train services: Humsafar, Tejas and Uday. Humsafar and Tejas will ensure cost recovery by way of tariff and non-tariff measures. Humsafar would be fully air-conditioned third AC service with an optional service for meals. Tejas, on the other hand, will showcase the future of train travel in India. Operating at speeds of 130 km per hour and above, it will offer on-board services such as entertainment, local cuisine, Wi-Fi, etc. through one service provider for ensuring accountability and improved customer satisfaction. We will also introduce overnight double-decker, Utkrisht double-decker, air-conditioned Yatri Express on the busiest routes, which has the potential to increase carrying capacity by almost 40%. To continue the effort on minimizing waiting time for passengers at booking windows, we intend to commence sale of tickets through handheld terminals for the benefit of the suburban and short distance travelers. This would enable us to deploy multiple points of sale with minimal infrastructure requirement. We also intend initiating sale of platform tickets through ticket vending machines, which would be made compatible with not only cash but also credit debit cards. In the next 3 months, we will open the e-ticketing facility to foreign debit credit cards for foreign tourists and NRIs. For our journalist friends, we will provide e-booking of tickets on the concessional passes available to them. This has been a long pending request, and it is my privilege to provide them with this service. Cancellation of PRS tickets requires a passenger to travel to a booking window to avail the refund within a prescribed time. This is a source of great discomfort. We will now open the facility of cancellation through the 139 helpline post verification using one-time password sent on registered phone number. We will introduce bar-coded tickets, scanners and access control on a pilot basis on major stations to tackle the menace of ticketless travel and ensure hassle-free travel for passengers. We have taken a number of measures to improve services during the morning Tatkal hours, yet there are complaints of rightful passengers being denied train tickets. We therefore intend to progressively ensure CCTV coverage at Tatkal counters. We plan to institutionalize a system of third-party periodic audits and certification of security features of the PRS website. The alternative train accommodation system scheme introduced in October 2015 will be expanded to provide choice of accommodation in specific trains to waitlisted passengers. Taking forward the momentum on Swachh Rail, Swachh Bharat, we intend taking a string of measures to improve the cleanliness on stations and trains. Stop.